Good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. In additional, in the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, yes, it's weekend, Saturday, June 3rd, 2023. It's today actually Sunday. And in this additional, I've already solved two puzzles. The Sudoku with 2 stars. Well, actually it's 1 star, but I need more time for this one. This one is 4 stars, but actually 3 stars. So 2 puzzles are left. The tectonic with 4 stars and the binary puzzle. And it's binary time. Yes, the binary number 6538. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 15 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So that's our O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O, between the ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now. Now. Well. Need to think now. Yeah. No. Between 2 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here in the first column, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here in the last row, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here in the last column, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. And 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 3 minutes. Well, 3 minutes. We solve it again without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle. In additional, and in the evening I will continue with the Samurai Sudoku. But first, the last puzzle, the tectonic with 4 stars. This one has 10 printed digits. Should be a hard one. Okay, see you later. Bye bye for now.